From this piece of rust to this fully functioning camper trailer. This is the biggest DIY that I ever attempted. Stick around if you want to see how I've built my camper trailer. Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you the camper trailer that I built in 2020 over the weekends in 6 months. He has been my COVID project, and I will show you the work in progress, how it started and how it looks. I thought after 3 years using it and about 75 nights sleeping in it, it would have been a good time to do a review and I'll show you how I built it and what I've done to it. Let's get into it. I picked up this rusty trailer off Facebook Marketplace for $500. The idea was only to have a battery, a fridge and few camping lights and some storage inside. But after not long I've decided to strip it to the base and cut it and start from scratch. The first thing I did was trying to fit some 33-inch tires. As you can see here, I'm left only with the base. After that I bought a stainless steel slide-out kitchen and tried to make it fit. Here I've made a drop down on the frame because the workbench of the kitchen was too high to work with. After I was happy with the fitment of the kitchen, I've started adding all the strength to the rest of the trailer, making my way up to the roof. I've tried to use as much as I could of the old steel just to make it more budget friendly. Here I'm testing out the door and the gas struts and welded in all 4 corners the base for the 4 stabilizer legs. I've added some hinges and the back door. And here I'm testing the fridge slide. The 75-liter fridge was one of my first purchases and I ended up using it much later in the build. When I finally finished all the welding, I have painted the frame and put some undercoat. Finally, I'm starting with all the panels. I'm using a 2mm steel panels. I did a cutout for the back door and riveted the panels on the side doors as well. The trailer is finally ready for its final paint. Here I'm adding primers on the doors and all the panels. Finally, it's all painted and I can start with the fit out. Starting paneling with marine plywood, doing both sides and finishing off with some carpet. Here is all the electrical stuff that I'm going to use. The price, I ended up using a King's box pre-wired with fuses and added all the extra wires, fuses and switches. On the other side I ran all the wires to be able to run more USB ports, 240 volts power point from the inverter and more switches for the lights. In the base of the trailer I'm adding a 80-liter water tank and the water system. The final assembly of the kitchen for the last time and plumbing the cold and the hot water. I've also added a tap on the back. Finally, after 3.5 months wait, I've got my rooftop tent from 23.0. That is still now the best sleep I ever had while I'm camping, worth the money. I've also added the solar panels on the roof. Also, I've got a matching 2302 270 degrees awning and a shower tent. Between the fridge and the kitchen, I've put some camping drawers. Since June till the 23rd of December 2020, I finally finished my camper trailer. Here's all my switches, for example for lights, fridge and water pump. I've also got a battery monitor. It's so easy to set up when you arrive at camp. And the rooftop tent is still the best sleep I ever had while at camp. Here we're watching TV on the rainy days, and the side walls, they come down really easily. Here, for example, we were in South Australia and it rained for 2 days in a row. We were just sitting at camp watching movies and being sheltered from the weather. Hooking up the trailer to the car and drive away, and each time we get to camp, it gets quicker and quicker to set up and pack down. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Make sure you check out the walk around video of the camper trailer. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.